Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Bree. I talk about all things vegan, cruelty-free, mainly beauty, and I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm by Ipsy PR unboxing. And this is...
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So, I did get sent this in PR, like I said. I didn't get to make any of the selections. I'm pausing my Boxycharm for now. I didn't feel spoilers, which feels so weird, but it's just been really, really busy. So, let's get into this box. I did look at the spoilers, but some of them were actually not in the spoilers. So first item we have from Tower 28, cute packaging. I like their mascara. I have it is the Shine On Lip Jelly Gelée in Pistachio, and Aria is actually wearing it on her lips right now. This is really pretty pink, like, I don't know, I wouldn't say pistachio, I don't know where they got that name, but it's not super sticky, and feels really nice on the lips. It's a nice texture. I like the color, especially, I don't know. Feels nice, like I said, not super sticky, somewhat hydrating. The blush that I'm wearing today is the What's Up Beauty Rose Hippity Matte Liquid Blush. Only need a little bit. A little bit goes a long way, okay? So it's the Rose Hippity Matte Liquid Blush in the shade Heirloom. So, and it's one of those poof ones where you twist it, but there's that color. Very pretty.
What's that?
It's blush. So I just put it on like lightly today, just a little boop, boop, boop. And then I blend it out with a brush actually, but you can use a sponge. And then I believe I've gotten a scrub from this brand before, but this is from Dallas and James Skincare Company, or Skincare Co. This is Watermelon Dream Saltwater Scrub with Cloudberry. It smells really good and I like the packaging. I'm definitely gonna reuse that for something. And then from Wonder Beauty, we have, I love the color, it's so cool. The Mile High Club Length and Define Mascara. I also have a cold, sorry for my voice. And the shade Espresso. Hopefully that's good, but some Wonder Beauty products are okay. And then last but not least, I'm going to give this to one of my friends because unfortunately Natasha Denona always has carmine in their shadows, which is not vegan. So, and I thought she would like this cool tone palette. It's pretty, but I'm not going to use it because again, it's not vegan. This is a Hot Topic palette. And the shades look pretty, but like I said, not gonna use it because it's not vegan. So let me know, what did you get in your box? What did you choose? Because again, so weird to have not paused a box in almost 3 years. So I don't know what to expect. I'm gonna do spoilers though, but with my channel, I want to kind of switch to somewhat like hyper consumerism where, you know, shopping your stash, using what you have, as well as kind of, I want to do like a 30-day rule before I buy things. So let me know what you think about that. I'm still really interested in beauty. I'm still posting like my daily makeup looks. I'm trying to still post daily. Kind of fell off, but I'm trying to get into it. So if you like videos like that, as well as just let me know any requests for videos. And then my friend and I are actually going to, she had a channel, but we were kind of going to revamp it and do it together. So stay tuned for that. As always, stay safe, healthy, and always do something that makes you happy. My form of self-care is for beauty. What is your form of self-care? Because it's always important to take care of you. If you enjoyed this video, Aria, what do they do?
Subscribe and hit the bell button.
The bell button. Oh, okay, for notifications. All right, and I'll see you in my next video.